ha ke sa le duba ke sa le ntsha tlefonyana e mo teng ka go le khathanyana ntse gore kwana ke re ke a le santara ya le go nna le dipudulanyana tse o tla bo utlwa mo teng le le go bolela go go ntsha leswe mo teng nkala le ntse le na le leswe ke na la senyana o ka di hitlhelamo mantswenyana o ka hitlhelamo
kopi tse gongwe tsa 15 minutes lady tsa 20 minutes mo go tsona go tsa maybe go 45 minutes. Each thing has like sengwe le sengwe se na le nako ya sona ke
ya ka e harvest biscuits e ka nna about 4 hours for the plates e le mosi ka go ntsha 8 feet e ka nna 4 hours harvest a pese ya go hema e le list is 8 hours.
How's it going?
It is going. I mean, the going is there.
Guys, go busy gore. Why don't you tell me? Maboko mo metsi. Ya ke re ga se tsene maboko le tla be le nna parla mo mabokong.
Hey y'all, so we're out at THAMAGA Pottery just to come and do some, you know, fun different things. I'm about to start, guys. I'm about to start. Yeah. Both of them.
tsholetsa hana e ska le ka ha
To ga o dira so sara ya no ngwe.
I'm so excited to be actually trying this out for myself. It's been fun judging my friends when they were trying it out, but let's go.
Bowel and Timmy's that wet, so we can't take them, so we're gonna buy something from the gift shop, and everything is like pricely reasonable, and I enjoyed everything about it, working with my hands. I'll be back to make like a proper one. Yes, on teaser.
Okay, so we're done with our activity. It's been so much fun. We got to tour the facility, actually get to understand how they do the craft, the long durations that they take and all of that, and actually get to make it for ourselves. It's been so much fun. Yeah, so please, if you do get a chance, step out and go to THAMAGA Pottery.
Are you sure?
Mello, can you tell me something nice about this place?
The nice thing about this place is me. And so, if you wanna buy it.
Very fun day in THAMAGA. We are on our way back to Bona now. It was really good to be able to do our bit to contribute to the livelihood of the THAMAGA community, the ladies that work there. We know that COVID-19 affected the money that they usually make, so we wanted to give back within our zone. We did all the right things, social distancing and all that, but now we have to get back into reinvigorating the economy in the small ways that we can. Of course, with what we like to do most is travel and explore and experience, so that is how we are going to continue to do our best to help the economy. It's been a very fun day, so yeah. Be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. We will be sharing a lot more fun activities to do in and around Botswana. Yes, follow me on social media at Hello Rocher and Self-Made Sessions on Instagram and Facebook.